Alright, today we're going to talk more about the Pythagorean theorem, but this time not in a coordinate plane or anything. We're going to just find the missing side. Alright, for our first example, this. Alright, so this is our Pythagorean theorem formula. So in this example, you have both legs, and you're looking for the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. So all I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug these numbers in. So 9 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. Now it doesn't matter where the 9 or the 12 go. Alright, if I wanted to write this as 12 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared, that's fine too. It's just how I wrote it. The legs don't matter which order you go in. Alright, so now I square the 9. I square the 12, and now I add them together and I get 225 plus c squared, square root both, c equals 15. So our missing side is in fact 15. All right, not every time you're going to be missing the hypotenuse. In this case, you are missing one of the legs. So it's solved a little bit differently, but not much more than any other equation you've done up to this point. So 6, I'm going to plug in for, I'll put x here. So x squared plus 6 squared equals 10 squared. So then I simplify it down. So 6 squared is 36, 10 squared is 100. Now it's a two-step equation. I subtract 36 from both sides. That leaves me with x squared on this side equals 64. Square root, x equals 8. So the side I'm missing is 8. So 8, 6, and 10. That is how you find a missing side. Alright, here's another one. So I'm looking for this one, so I'll make that x squared plus my other leg equals my hypotenuse. Simplify it down. 8 squared is 64 equals 289. 49, that's 7, that's 11, 0. Hey, look at that, 289. I subtract 64 from both sides, bring down my x squared equals 225. We all know the square root of 225 is 15. So x equals 15. And that's how you do this. I'm going to do one more example, and that'll be it. All right, last example. I have a triangle, but I just turned it in a different direction. You still do the same thing. For some reason, people get messed up when you turn the triangle or rotate it. No, you do it the same exact way. I have one leg, because the hypotenuse is always opposite the 90-degree angle. Always. So some people might think this is the hypotenuse. If it was drawn maybe like this, you might think that's the hypotenuse because that's what you've been looking at. It's always directly across from the 90-degree angle. If you can remember that, these are pretty simple. So c equals 5. Right? Doesn't matter which way it's rotated. The hypotenuse is always across from that, and you'll be alright. Alright, this has been finding the missing side of the Pythagorean theorem. I hope it helps out, and good luck.